I wanted to check in with you because today is 34 days since I started my skin repair journey, right? As you can see here, I am fresh out of the shower. It looks a lot better than day one. I will say this, ladies and gents, but especially with the vitamin C, just every skin is different, and my skin reacted differently when I was using a particular brand that is well known for their vitamin C line. And so I truly believe that I OD'd on vitamin C. I OD'd on the serum. Even though I wasn't doing a serum every day, but my skin was like, no, like we don't like that. I actually just started off with the drugstore brand. I purchased this at Kroger. So you can purchase this at Kroger or they have it on Amazon, but Cetaphil. So I purchased this, and this is the Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's normal to dry skin, and it hydrates as it cleanses. On the back here it says, this creamy cleansing formula now with hydrating glycerin and vitamin B5 and B3 is clinically tested to be gentle at removing dirt, makeup, and impurities while also helping to strengthen skin's moisture barrier. So this is what I use. Like, you don't have to go out and buy these high-end cleansers to repair your skin barrier. Cetaphil. Next, after, oh no, hold on 1 second. I forgot the serum. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So after I used the cleanser, I used the Centella serum. This right here. I even saved the box. So now I did purchase this on Amazon. So you can go on Amazon and purchase this. I received it actually same day. As you can see, this is how many ounces? 3.38 fluid ounces. A little goes a long way. This is probably going to last me to the end of the year, you guys. It is not that expensive at all. After the Cetaphil, or Cetaphil, however you pronounce it, after I cleanse my face, I go in with a little, like just 1 or 2 drops. That's all you need. After I apply the serum, then I wait at least 1 to 2 minutes so it can dry, completely dry. To CeraVe or CeraVe, however you pronounce it, the moisturizing cream. And this I purchased from Kroger as well, from my local Kroger. Kroger is down the street from me. So I had purchased this on Kroger. However, they do have, because it was on sale, but they do actually have it on Amazon. And this is a moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. So pretty much all my life, I've had combination skin. I am very oily. I'm an oily girl. This moisturizes and help restore the protective skin barrier. So it has with 3 essential ceramides or ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So it's like a rich texture. So this developed with dermatologists is unique formula with 3 essentials, ceramides or ceramides, however you pronounce, moisturizes and help restore the protective skin barrier. All right, and so apply as often as needed, but I love this. So you can see, so it is a moisturizing cream. See how, there you go. Yeah, it's unscented, which is I love, but it has like its own scent. Next, after I apply my moisturizer, I go ahead and apply my sunscreen. Now, before I wanted to try this Cetaphil sunscreen. This is SPF 50. It's a sheer mineral face. Remember, I just wanted something that was real light sheer, but this leaves a white cast, like a little bit. If I put a little bit on, I'll be fine. But if I, put a lot on, white cast, and so I didn't like that. So I just did my research. Well, let me just stick with the same brand with the serum. And so this is, let me take this out. This brand right here, this is the Centella Water Fit Sun Serum UV. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, and this is SP 50 as well. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna, and as you can see, it does not leave a white cast. And I don't have a white cast on my face. Literally, in the daytime, this is the last product I put on my face, which is sunscreen, because ladies, and gents, we have to protect our skin at all costs. And this is skin 1004. Both the serum and this skin 1004. I was intentional to look for a sunscreen that is on the same line as the skin 1004. And this is a K-Beauty product as well. As far as my night routine, so for 31 days, so for the whole month of July, I only use the products that I showed you. And then at night, I use the same products with the exception of the serum. I did not use to put the serum on at night. I just used the moisturizer at night, and I did not put sunscreen on at night. So it was just the cleanser at night and then the moisturizer, right? So now that, look at my skin again. It's been, so today is the 3rd. Today is August 3rd in real time. And I'm posting my journey throughout July. But today is August 3rd. So now what I will start incorporating on my night routine is this serum here. I did not want to use 2 serums until I saw progress on my skin repair journey. And as you can see, my skin look completely different from day one. Okay. And also just in general, with anything that you do, consistency is key. If you want to repair your skin, you have to make sure that you are consistent with it. So you have to make sure that you're using the same products morning and evening. And that's exactly what I did. And I said, after July, that's when I was going to start to incorporate this. It's a Nua, so it is what it looks like. So this is 1.1 fluid ounce. And I did purchase this on Amazon. And it probably took, because I ordered this before my mom's 70th birthday party. So I received it like within 5 days. I want to say like 4 days or so. When I got it, I forgot. I was like, dang, I know, because I kept having packages come in to prepare for my mom's birthday party. And I was like, dang, what did I order? It was this. I forgot that I ordered this, but I did get it on Amazon as well. So tonight I will actually start using this and incorporating this in my skincare routine. Listen, here's the thing. I get it. It's so many products out here, but the way my life is set up, I just need what works for me. Whatever works for me, that's what I'm looking for at this point in time. I'm not looking to spend a whole bunch of money on a whole bunch of products, because when you're using products and you don't allow those products, like if you're using one product and then you start using another product, you're not gonna see any difference, to be completely honest with you, or you can hurt your skin. So just be mindful of what you put on your skin. Make sure that you do read the ingredients and research the ingredients before you put anything on your skin or your face, I will say. But for the most part, I just wanted to pop in because this is what my face is looking. Today is August 3rd. I just wanted to post this so you can actually see an after. I recorded my journey, my skin repair journey, from day 1 to 12 or 13. So the first 14 days. And then I was like, after that, people just of me using the same products and XYZ. But again, today is August 3rd, and I just wanted to share exactly how my skin is repairing. And that I will now incorporate this product at night. Now, I'm not going to do this every night. So I'm only going to do this on Mondays and Thursdays. Today's Monday. So that's why I wanted to pop in and share this with you. But I'm only going to apply this on Mondays and Thursdays. So twice a week, just to see how my skin reacts to it. I guess tonight, that's what I'll do. I'll come back with y'all tonight and I'll show y'all exactly. If you want, comment below if you want to see that. If not, then, it is what it is. These products has genuinely changed my skin within the last 30 days. And like I always say, if I love it, I'm gonna put you on. Okay, so link is in my bio. Later, y'all.